Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by backing up your worlds and configs so you can revert if needed. Once done, open the official Minecraft launcher and sign in. Make sure you know which Java runtime you use. Different versions require different Java. Next, go to the Installations tab and enable snapshots if you plan to test pre-release builds. Click New Installation to begin. Name it clearly, choose the game version dropdown, and set a dedicated game directory to keep files isolated. Now configure the installation. Pick the exact release or snapshot from the version list so you get the correct client files. Once selected, adjust JVM arguments to allocate sufficient RAM, for example XMX4G if you have it to spare. Set a unique game directory to avoid mixing libraries and saves. If using mods, install the matching loader like Forge or Fabric for that Minecraft version, and place compatible mods in the mods folder inside that installation directory. Save and close to finalize. Select the installation you created and click play. The launcher will download required assets and libraries. Once the game loads, make a test world or copy a backup into that installation's saves folder to verify compatibility before opening your main world. If you plan to join servers, ensure server version matches the client or use a version compatibility plugin. If things go wrong, check the launcher and game logs. Confirm 64-bit Java if allocating large RAM, and remove mods one at a time to find the incompatible one.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.